lot, right?
Yeah.
All right, start shoveling. Come on out. Check it out. What do you think? What do you think? You ready to start shoveling?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
So,
What do you think?
Marshmallow Greenspan reporting for duty, sir.
Wow, that's good. It's a good outfit you got. Nice outfit.
Oh my.
Is that unbelievable?
Yeah. You're gonna lose that in here.
Look at me.
That's the high point.
Look at their house. You can see his head.
That's the...
Wait, there we go.
Ready to rock and
Where's
roll?
the zoom? Oh, here.
Here you go. Ready to rock and roll. Come over here. I would like you to meet my little friend. Come on. This is my other little friend right here.
I made a little.
Hello, little friend.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah? Okay, hang on. Let's get the man in action. All right, you're finally on film. Here's your big debut.
I'm going to get this driveway done in 6 hours. This is a serious storm. Ira Greenspan, ABC News, Boyd's, Maryland. This is a serious storm, folks. Let me tell you something. I haven't seen a storm like this.
Yeah, how do you hit stop? I can't do it. Can't do it. Gloves on. What do I hit? The red button?
Yep.
Cut you up.
This is Ira Greenspan, ABC News, Boyd's, Maryland.
We already got that.
Cut.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
I fell on the driveway.
You fell on the driveway.
Yeah.
That's all right.
But snow fell on me.
Leah!
Get a good side shot.
Oh, look at this man in action, working hard.
Get some. Get some. Get some stuff.
Best purchase you ever made. Did you guys make yourselves a little chair?
Yeah.
Walking in a winter wonderland. See the house. Where's the front door? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, there it is.
Where's the iPhone?
Trees look pretty.
Well, all done. Unbelievable amount of snow. It's a lot. And it's very, very deep. Very, very deep.